Hey there, Javi and Todd here. We're on our way to Rancho Las Cascadas, which is a ranch next to the waterfalls. And they have horseback riding and a pool and everything. Our friends invited us to check it out for the weekend, so we're gonna go. It's only a little more than 2 hours from San Miguel de Allende, so an easy trip for folks who are visiting our area. And let's see what they got.
And this is our first time in the state of Mexico. Our first time.
Here's our little ranch house. There's a little opening area here. Little sitting area in the sun. Oh, beautiful. It's so cute. What do you think, Frida? This'll do. It's called Rancho Las Cascadas because there's a great, beautiful waterfall here. Nice. So it's absolutely beautiful at Rancho Cascada here. And one of the great things about it is that it's all inclusive. So it includes all of your meals, all of your drinks, and it also includes horseback riding. So we're gonna go horseback riding today and explore some of the surrounding countryside here. And this here's Navajo. Oh, look, he's coming to say hi. This is who I'm riding today. So I think I'm getting the hang of this. We're trotting along. We've done a little bit of running. It's beautiful out here. Really, really so beautiful. So how's your riding experience been, Javi?
Mellow, sweet. His name is tequila, and tequila is very smooth, very good ears. So also
Nice. How'd you like your ride on tequila?
good.
So wow, we had an amazing weekend here at Rancho Las Cascadas. And you know, there's so many things to do here. There's the horseback riding that we did. They have mountain biking. There's a temazcal, so if you want to do a sweat lodge. They have a yoga studio and there's yoga classes every morning if you want. They do excursions, there's mountain biking, there's hiking, everything. And like we said, it's an all-inclusive resort. So all of your meals, all of your margaritas, all of your horseback rides, and there's rides a ride in the morning and a ride in the afternoon. So you could spend 4 or 5 hours a day doing horseback riding. Really an incredible place. We feel so blessed to have gotten to visit here. Super fun. If you want to see more of our videos, you can press that little button right there. Subscribe, and I'll try to put the website for Rancho Las Cascadas here. So thanks for following along. Anything else, Javi?
Sure. The staff here, they treat you like a king. They make you feel, like a king, queen. Everybody's very sweet. Everybody.
All right, until the next time. Ciao.